So this is the situation during the earthquake here in Cebu City, or the part of Cebu. So this bridge is a Mactan bridge going to the Lapu-Lapu. So it's very yeah, kuhang-kuha sa dashcam na may-ari nitong video. They have the dashcam inside the car, so they perfectly saw the bridge hanging like swinging.
Relax.
And then some of the motorists huminto at oh my God, the bridge is very strong. This is ginawa ng mga Japanese engineers. Very long time.
Okay ra mo kuya?
It's like a seconds, like 6.5 magnitude.
Lang manaog mi?
Lucky everyone are all safe. Thanks Lord Jesus Christ. Credit to the rightful owner of this video. And everyone here in Cebu are all safe. But some of northern part in Cebu have so many casualties and damage, like churches and some business establishments are all collapsed. But here in Lapu-Lapu, we're all safe. And somewhere in Cebu City too, there's no problem. Only the northern part of Cebu. That's all.